Hello, my name is Lisbeth Salgado Perez, and today I'm going to explain about syllabus design principles. Okay, the first points to take in mind are selecting and grading. In this one, we have to be very clear about what to put into it. And grading refers about what order to follow when we have already designed what to put in. There are two parts. I divide the presentation into parts. The first is area to explore is utility. It refers about frequency, range, coverage, and need. Frequency is talk about how often the student going to use what we are teaching. The range it means that it has to be contextualized in different contexts. The coverage is about that this expression maybe can be used in different situations, and the student has to be the student has to know what are these different situations. The need, it focuses on what a student needs to know about, and what the student needs really to know about what we are teaching. And the second part, the second area, it's compound about its learnability, and it's compound about difficulty, complexity, regularity, similarity, and teachability. Difficulty is related with complexity, both focus on about how difficult is the grammar we are teaching. It means that we have to be clear about what to teach first, then and at the end. For example, we find different levels: the intermediate level, the basic level, the high level. So it's very important that we as a student and as teacher know this to the complexity and the difficulty of what we are teaching. And regularity is how often we use this structure. And similarity refers about the language 1 and language 2. There are some similarities with the language we are teaching with the mother tongue of the students, and we have to be clear and to know what are these to be focused on the difficulty that students can have. And the last one is the teachability. In this one, we talk about that maybe as a teacher, we think there are some easy teachable topics, and maybe we assume that students going to internalize and appropriate of this, but it doesn't mean that that because it's easy for me to teach, it's going to be easy to students to learn. So we have to be very clear about we teach and how we teach, that that the student can have the opportunity to understand and to internalize and learn what we are teaching. And finally, I can say that I really understand what a syllabus, the person who is creating a syllabus have to take very difficult decisions. But as I do as a teacher, and if we have a material that the school give us, I try to focus on the needs of the students to simplify what we are teaching, and also to simplify the time we have with it. For me, it's everything. Thank you very much.